This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System taking place on Tuesday, 4th March at IELTS Base Camp, and center number is IBC007. And the candidate is Anwarul Islam. Candidate number is 2301001. And the examiner is Kanis Fatima. Examiner number is 433816. And good afternoon. What is your full name, please?
My full name is Anwarul Islam.
And what should I call you?
You can call me Anwarul.
Now, you have been telling me about friends. My first question is to you. Why do some people lose contact with their childhood friends?
People lose childhood friends, I think, when we grow older, then we have to make a lot of things and a lot of work so that we cannot uh, time to see our childhood friends. That's why I think we lose contact our friend.
How do people in your country make friends these days?
In these days, people in my country, there are a lot of ways people in my country making friends through like such as through social app like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. They are using this and making friends is so easier nowadays.
Okay. Anwarul, why is it easier to make friends on internet than in reality? What do you think?
It is easier because in real life we have to meet in person, so it makes a lot of time, a lot of things going on. But in social app we have to make friends whatever we like, our personality, our matching with this person, so we can make friends easier. I think social app can make friends easier than in real life.
Okay, thank you, Anwarul. That's the end of the speaking test.